Hey, what's up? It's Nathan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum using Coinbase, and then I'm going to answer the million-dollar question, should you actually be using Coinbase to buy cryptocurrencies? Alright, so here we are inside of the Coinbase app, and it's a pretty simple, intuitive app, so this isn't going to take too long because you can figure this thing out pretty easily. But when you log in, you'll see that your portfolio balance, your watch list, so if you have any tokens that you own or you're watching, you can go ahead and, see them, what they're doing during the day, right there on the front homepage. You got your top movers as well, so you can see what's moving, what's not moving, etc. They also have this learn about section where you can learn about different tokens and earn free tokens by taking the training. So I think I've earned over $160 worth of tokens by watching these little simple videos and answering some questions. So that's one cool thing about Coinbase, is you can earn free tokens just by learning about tokens. So I like that feature a lot, so I recommend checking that out for sure. And this is just more training right there. You can go ahead and refer people as well, and then they got a news section and all that stuff. So it's kind of, you can get most of your information about cryptocurrencies and what's going on right here from within the app, so that's handy. And then the next area I'm going to is portfolio down here in the bottom. So you come over here, you can see your portfolio and how well it's doing. I don't have much money in Coinbase. I think there's better places to store your funds, but anyway, if you have funds, you can check out what they're doing, how they're doing, all that type of stuff. It's all broken down right here for you. The middle option is buy and sell and everything. We'll come back to that in just a second. Then we got prices, and so this gives you a breakdown of how the currencies are doing, and it breaks down more than just what's available on Coinbase. So there's hundreds of different tokens you can go ahead and check up on from within Coinbase and watch and keep an eye on. So even if you can't buy the token within Coinbase itself, you can still track it and see how it's doing and performing and all that stuff. Then we have settings, and there's no reason to really go in there. It's just my personal, account information. So let's go to the big blue button in the middle where we can send and receive tokens. So we got a few options here. We got buy, sell, convert, send, receive. So all that should make some sense. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna go ahead and go with buy now. And then we can go ahead and select which asset we want to buy. As you'll notice, there's more than just Bitcoin in here. There's about 33 tokens, I believe, that you could go ahead and choose from and buy right here in the Coinbase app. So they got a wide selection of different tokens you can go ahead and buy, and they're always adding new tokens. So that is cool. I like that feature. So you find the token you want to go ahead and buy, and of course you make sure you've connected your bank account first and all that type of stuff. So they walk you through step by step how to connect your bank account so you can go ahead and buy crypto. And so right away it's asking us how much Bitcoin we want to go ahead and buy, and right here you enter the USD, the US dollar amount you want to buy. So say I want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. Then the next option we have is one-time purchase, or if we click into it, it gives us a few other options so we can do repeat purchases. So I like this feature. Dollar cost averaging is a sound, proven investing strategy. So I recommend dollar cost averaging. I dollar cost average personally, and they make it easy so you can buy Bitcoin every day, every week, 1st and 15th of the month, every month, and so on. So several different options to go ahead and choose from. But for this particular case, I'm going to go with one-time purchase. Go ahead and select which bank account or account I'm going to buy the cryptocurrency from. So I have that selected there. And then I simply go to preview buy, and it gives me a breakdown of my order right here. So I'm going to get 0.00056413 Bitcoin. My Bitcoin price right now is $15,971.50. Bank account purchase. So I'm actually only buying $9.01 worth of Bitcoin. So even though I'm spending $10 down here, I'm only buying $9 worth of Bitcoin, and that's because I have a 99-cent fee. So Coinbase has some of the higher fees when it comes to buying cryptocurrency. And so in the next portion of this video, I'm going to show you another app that doesn't have these fees, and I think you'll like it because there's other benefits like earning interest and things like that. So stick around after we get through this portion of buying through Coinbase. Now I also want to point out that you cannot send your Bitcoin for up to 5 days. So once you buy this Bitcoin, it's going to sit in your Coinbase wallet until the 5-day period, and then you can go ahead and you can send Bitcoin out of Coinbase. So that's kind of a downside right there, is you got that 5-day holding or waiting period. And I just want to make sure that you're aware that that exists. But anyway, we'll go ahead and buy now, so that way we can go ahead and purchase our Bitcoin. And so just like that, my order was submitted, 0.000564113 Bitcoin. Hit continue now, and then I can trade immediately. Don't wait for my bank. So while we wait for your funds, you can sell or convert your BTC. If you'd like to send your BTC, please wait up to 5 days. So if you wanted to send it friends or family or something like that, well, you got to wait 5 days. So that is a downside. But if we come back in here now and we go to portfolio and we go onto the Bitcoin area, we can see inside of my Bitcoin wallet now that I have some Bitcoin available. I have $22.81. I already had some Bitcoin in here from a previous buy, but now I have a little bit more. And so that's how you can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum using Coinbase. Now I want to show you this other app called Voyager, and the reason I want to show it to you is because there aren't any fees when you're buying cryptocurrencies. And the biggest benefit that I can see is that you can actually earn interest on your cryptocurrency investments. So I think that's an awesome deal right there. So this is the Voyager app, and I'll have a link in the description down below. But you'll log in and you'll notice you have a list of tokens that you could go ahead and buy. So there's over 50 tokens available on Voyager versus 30 something that's available on Coinbase. Now 50 or 30, a lot of these are kind of junk tokens anyway, but it has the big ones, the main ones, just like Coinbase has. So anyway, what I really wanted to show you is the interest rate. So we see, if we scroll over to the right here, we can see how much interest we could earn on our cryptocurrency investments. So for Bitcoin, you can earn 5.5% interest on your Bitcoin investments, Ethereum 4%, USDC down here, which is essentially like cash. So every single USDC token is backed by a US dollar bill. Like there's an actual bank account that has a $1 for every $1 of USDC made. So you can actually earn 8.5% on USDC, which is like earning 8.5% on cash. So that's an amazing deal. Earning that high a rate on cash. Go to your bank account and ask them for 8.5%. You're not going to find it anywhere. But anyway, 5.5% on Bitcoin, pretty freaking awesome as well. So I just wanted to show you how you can buy it in here as well. So we can tap into Bitcoin real quick. Just buy BTC. There's market buy, so I could go ahead and buy at the market price. Alternatively, I can do limit order, so that's pretty handy. Can't do that with the Coinbase mobile app. You can do it in Coinbase Pro, but the mobile app that we were just touring, which is what most people use when they're getting started, they don't have the limit buy features. But anyway, go to market real quick. I'm going to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, and you'll notice there's no fees. So obviously that's pretty awesome. Coinbase has pretty high fees. You saw I spent $10 and I paid $1, so 10% in fees versus 0% in fees. So that's why I wanted to show you Voyager. No fees, earn interest. Pretty awesome stuff. And you also notice that you can set up recurring buys as well, just like in Coinbase. So that dollar cost averaging investing strategy, very easy to do. But we'll go ahead and slide to buy. Goes out there, submits my order, and boom, just like that, I have ordered my Bitcoin. So I can come in, check out my order details real quick. We see exactly how much I bought, how much I spent. There's no fees or anything like that either. So pretty awesome stuff. And again, I'll have a link down below if you want to learn more about Voyager. And so that's pretty much it for this video. We talked about how to buy cryptocurrencies using Coinbase, and there are some pros to using Coinbase. For example, you can take training and videos and earn free tokens. Like that's pretty cool. Again, I made about $160 of free tokens learning about tokens, so that's a pretty cool feature. But when it comes to actually buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase, you see that they charge you a bunch of fees versus Voyager here, no fees, and you can also earn interest on your cryptocurrency. 5.5 with Bitcoin, 8.5 with USDC, i.e. cash. So I recommend checking out Voyager. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, I appreciate any sorts of likes, comments, subscribes, anything like that, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.